Right now, humans are traveling deeper into space than they have in over 50 years. But where exactly is Artemis II at this very moment? Power, precision, exploration. This is Artemis II. Artemis II launched in 2026 and is now traveling through deep space on a mission to orbit the moon and return safely to Earth. The mission uses NASA's Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built. With twin boosters and 4 massive engines, it generates over 8 million pounds of thrust. Before launch, astronauts undergo final checks, wear advanced spacesuits, and enter the Orion spacecraft. Then, the countdown begins. At liftoff, the rocket accelerates them into space within minutes. Once in Earth orbit, the crew checks all systems, life support, navigation, and communication before heading further. A powerful engine burn sends them toward the moon at incredible speed, entering deep space. The crew flies around the moon testing systems for future landings but does not land. Using the moon's gravity, the spacecraft swings back toward Earth in a precise return path. After re-entering Earth's atmosphere at extreme speeds, Artemis II ends with a splashdown in the ocean.